Hello, hello, hello. This is Michelle Anantwa from Harmony's Divine Design. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can add audio into your Canva. So basically, as some of you in the group may know, I just created a YouTube TV art video. That's the music you actually hear in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can dive into this. Now, this isn't a big formal to do. Um, but I definitely do want to go over this with you guys. So as you create your projects, you feel comfortable and confident in exactly what it is you are doing. Okay. So here, just to give you a quick example, this is the YouTube TV art that I just created. You can hear the jazz music playing in the background. And I'm going to full screen it just so you guys can see it real quick. So pretty. So the images do transition. I have it set for transitioning every 30 seconds because this is an hour and a half long, well, hour and 16-minute long video. So every 30 seconds, you're getting a new piece of art that I've created on here. Now, I'm actually going to be working on a new video that's going to be coming out most likely sometime this weekend. I have a lot to do, so sometime this weekend it'll be coming out. But of course, you guys will be the first to know when it drops. So we're going to go into Canva, click our YouTube live stream video, right? Now from there, you see it gives us the dimensions and parameters already set. I'm going to mute this really quick. Okay, so it already has the parameters and everything set that you need for it to be. Now I'm going to go in my chat GPT, copy image. So this is a new setting that I rendered. I'm going to paste it in here. Set image as background. Now I'm going to go over here to elements and I'm going to click my frame. So the frame I'm actually placing right where the TV is, because that will be your focal point. Now, if it's a little off, we can stretch it. Or if you wanted to go completely up the wall and cover up all the art that's there, you can do that too. It's really up to you and what you feel like you want to do for your creativity. With this one, I'm going to add a border just to emphasize it a little bit, maybe make it look like a TV a little bit more. Here we go. Now into my uploads I go. I'm going to grab an image, say this one right here. I'm going to put that in there. Now in the frame, you can resize your image. So if you want her hair to show, you can do that. So we're going to go ahead. Now, as I said, for the timing for my hour video, I did 30 seconds per transition. So I'll show you how that goes. And let's go to elements once again. And now I'm going to show you how to add that audio that I was talking about into your video. So I know that lo-fi is definitely really big right now. So let's go ahead and see what they have in lo-fi jazz. Go ahead and listen to the song. So you could do something like this, a little bit more laid back. So I'm going to click this one. This is the one that I want to include Now it tells you the length of the song. So here, this particular song is 2 minutes and 14 seconds. However, you notice down here, it only went to 30 seconds. The reason that it only went to 30 seconds is because that's the only length of the frame that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. And then I'm going to go, let's do it one more time. So we have 3 here. So let me go ahead and go back in. Now, as you see, the song, the audio down below has expanded to the length of the size that we have there. So we're going to go ahead into the second one. Click here, detach an image. We're going to put another one up. And so say really quickly, I want to put this up. Now, right now, as you see, there's no theme. I usually like to do themes for my videos or for any of the content that I am rendering, mainly because it just looks better together. Also, you guys, if you have not signed up yet, if you would like to join our newsletter, go ahead and scan that QR code that's right over my shoulder. You'll get live updates for our classes and things like that. We actually have a class coming up on the 26th. It's a free class to join. I'll drop that link down below if you're interested. And we will be discussing fillable prompts, and that will be our basics class, introducing it, telling you what it is, showing you some examples how to work it and how you can create them, ultimately creating a prompt guide from them. So if you're interested in that class, I will drop the link below and you guys can go ahead and sign up for that as well. Now for slide 3, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, detach the image. We're going to put a new one up. Now, these are some of the images that are in the video here. As you see, it has transitioned since the last scene, and I'll show you what this looks like. So we have all 3. Now let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Oh, really quick. I love transitions. I just think it just looks better and moves smoother. So I'll just do the eye magic matching move and apply that between all pages. Okay, now we're good to go. Now I'll click play and make it full screen so you guys can see it. And of course, you can go ahead and edit these around. Um, Make it to your liking. You know, this is just one example that I'm using. And you can customize it however you want. It's your work, your mind, your idea. So let's do that. Now you see it transitions. So it keeps the setting around, but the only thing that changes, of course, is the art pieces that you put into your frame. Okay. Now, unless you want to do different settings for each photo, you are more than welcome to do that. It's, completely up to you. But for me, just for synchronicity, I keep the same setting and just change the artwork. And I'm certain if you've been on DALL-E or ChatGPT, Midjourney, you have a ton of images stored on your computer that you haven't even touched yet or used yet. This is a great place to go ahead and plug them in, okay? So I will stop that there and go back to our Canva screen. And again, that is how you can add audio to your Canva YouTube videos. So I hope this helps. And as always, happy creating, you guys, and have some fun.